Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Li Xing Gan, Financial Market Strategist Consultant to Exness, and this is your market outlook for the 30th of January 2025. So for today, we will be covering on Bitcoin from a technical perspective. We will take a look at key levels across different time frames, as well as potential scenarios that we could see on Bitcoin. Right, so let's take a look at it on the daily time frame first, or even on the higher time frames. If we take a look at it on the weekly, we can see that Bitcoin has consolidated near the 108,000 resistance level that we had. Right, generally it is still in a strong uptrend. We can see that price did consolidate near the recent highs over here. In terms of the moving averages, we're still seeing that widening gap between the moving average. Right, it's worth noting that this itself is a lagging indicator, and it's probably a reflection of the recent bullish momentum that we saw with the price movement here. If we take a look at it on the daily time frame, if we move down to the daily, you can see that prices has broke out of this short-term descending trend line. We're seeing it clearer on the 4 hours time frame. It pushed back into this demand zone over here. We saw the price consolidated before a break of this high that we had, right? And following that, we see a retreat back into this zone and a rebound above this level. If we move down to the 4 hours time frame, you can see that on the 4 hours time frame, price, as I've mentioned earlier, broke out of that descending trend line. We're also seeing higher lows and higher highs being formed with the most recent price movement over here, right? So notably, price broke out of the last high. This resistance turn support level at about 104,000 level, right? So if price persists in its uptrend, right, and if it continues to rise further, we could see a potential retest of this high, which is also a swing high that was formed back here, right? So you can see that this high stands at about 108,000 level. So conversely, if we do see a retreat below the 104,000 support, right, and a break and close below this descending trend line, we could see price continue its bearish momentum, first to test the swing low that we had over here that was formed recently, and beyond that, right, if price continues to extend its decline, we could see potential for a steeper drop towards the 95,500 level, which is this level here. You can see that this level was also obtained from that horizontal resistance turn support level. We can see that consolidation before a shift in market structure for price continues higher, right, with this leg here. So of course, beyond that, if price drops below this, right, then we could see the potential retest of the second support, which hits this low, right, at about the 91,000 level. Okay, so that's it for Bitcoin's market analysis, right? Thank you for joining me, and we'll catch you guys again the next time.